Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I have a super awesome surprise today. It's probably not a surprise at all because I probably put it in the title of the thing and that's probably why you clicked on the thing. But I got a surprise in the mail today. That's also not true because I knew it was coming. I just didn't know it was coming today. It's a giant heavy box. It's a giant heavy box. It says all over it that it's heavy, and I didn't believe it, and it hurt my back getting it to the truck. But let's get into it, and I'll show you what I got, because this isn't for me, this is for you guys. I'm looking forward to getting it out to you so that you can try it and find out, as I have, how fantastic this stuff is. Let's grab a knife, we'll see what I got, and then we'll tell you how to get your hands on it. Knife. Knife. So what we have in this box is my new favorite finishing product. I was sent a sample of this finishing paste wax type concoction made by a scientist in Australia a few months ago now, and I've been using it ever since, especially over on the lathe. And we talked about whether or not I wanted to sell this for him as his North American retailer. And once I got some time with it, I decided that yes, I really absolutely want to be the North American retailer of this product. It is called KUSTOM Grit. I'll leave the website for it down in the description. You can also check out the hashtag KUSTOMGrit on Instagram and see the kind of stuff that people have been finishing with it. And let's see what we have in all four of these boxes. Thanks, Scott, for additional packaging, because you know how good I am at opening boxes. And come on! Damn it, Scott. Alright. This is a 4-part system, but it can also be a 1-part system, or a 2-part system, or a 3-part system. It's whatever system you want to make it. Because the idea here is we've got tins of various products. What is this now? This is not part of the finishing system. This is a bowl sander. Scott sent me a bowl sander. He asked me, why don't you have a bowl sander? Why do you use your drill all the time to sand your bowls? And I was like, I don't even know what a bowl sander is. And so he sent me one. Oh, that is a good human being is what that is. So we've got, and we got a shirt. Oh, I should go put on the shirt before I continue the show. Oh, this is KUSTOM Grit. It's sparkly with the logo. Oh, that's awesome too. Okay, so what the actual product is. Let's get into what the actual product is. We've got a 2-step wax grit system. We've got a step 1 and a step 2 called KUSTOM Grit. And essentially what it is it's a finishing paste wax that has a sanding abrasive in it. So you go, once you've sanded up to whatever you want to sand up to, I would recommend going to at least 400 with things before you start in on this. You use your step 1 to get it extra smooth, and you use your step 2 to get it extra smooth. Then you can add your finish coat of just the regular fancy Australian beeswax concoction, which is just called KUSTOM Wax. Or you can move over to the liquid wax if you prefer. Or you can do any combination of any of these things to finish your product up. These are all 100% food safe items made by a scientist using giant Australian bees. Well, he didn't use the bees. He used the wax from the bees. And I'm assuming they're giant because have you seen Australian bugs? And a top secret, what should we call it? It's an abrasive that he gets down in Australia that he has harvested himself and from a remote Australian cliffside or beach or something. This stuff is fantastic. And I have 20 full sets of this. Let's get into, I believe I have 20. He said he was sending me 20. I'm going to put on my fancy new shirt, and then we're going to get into pricing and how you can get this stuff from me here in North America. That's fantastic. Let me get my shirt on. Okay, so this stuff, for me, is a lathe finishing product. So far, that's all I've done with it, but I've done a lot of it, and I love it. It is a huge improvement over what I was previously using on my lathe, and I highly recommend it. I am going to start trying it on some other things. From what I've seen on the internet, and the rumor has it, and it's true because I've seen it, it's especially good on resin products. Anything with resin impregnation or like river tables or charcuterie boards that have rivers of resin and things in them. This stuff is fantastic. It is not, however, an inexpensive product. Let's go through some of the pricing. The custom grit product, the step 1 and the step 2, are $30 a tin. But, don't go running off just yet. I've been using this stuff exclusively on my lathe projects. Like, this is the only stuff I've been using on my lathe projects for at least a couple months. And this is my personal tin. And that is how much I've used out of this tin. It starts at that. And I have used that much of it over a couple of months of use. So I want to put the new lid back on the new tin. So it goes a long way and it lasts a long time. But these are $30 each. If you buy them together, you get a little discount on the pack of 2. The custom wax and the liquid wax, again, this is how much of this bottle of custom liquid wax I've used in the past couple of months. It goes a long way. These are $25 each. So let's see how much of this I've used. Like, again, it goes a long way. So $25 each for these two, $30 each for the ones that actually do sanding as well. But man, they sand, it's crazy. I got a pen around here. I will only finish pens with this. I don't know if you're gonna actually see. I sanded this pen up to 400 grit, and then I did step 1 and step 2, and it feels like I sanded it up to multiple thousands of grit. It's really, really smooth. And it's got the finish built in. You're sanding and finishing at the same time. It's really good. So that's the overall pricing for the individual products. But I'm also going to have kits of all 4 of the products available for $100. So you buy them all together, you get a pretty significant discount. It'll last you forever. Well, not forever, because that's obviously an exaggeration. But it'll last you a really long time, and you might never turn back to another finish. I'm probably not, for lathe work anyway. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to getting this out to you guys so that you can love it as much as I do. There's a link down below to my Etsy store where you can get these products. I also, if you want to support the channel in other ways, there'll be a link to my Patreon page down there as well. You can check out the custom wax, custom grit, sorry, Scott, custom grit hashtag on Instagram to see some of the stuff people are doing with it. I'll have a video coming out shortly of me doing something with it. You can tune in on Saturday nights for my live turning show where I use it live. It's a really good product, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. And I can sell all 20 of these sets, and I'll bring some more across the ocean, and I'll sell those ones too. Because I believe in this product. I believe in Scott, the creator of this product. You'd want it. It's 100% food safe. It's a grit sanding paste that's also a finish that's also 100% food safe, and I will prove it. I'm gonna eat. I'm just straight up eat some of it. I believe in this product. I believe in Scott, the maker of this product. He is an actual scientist. It's not delicious. I mean, I wouldn't put it on like ice cream, to be honest. But man, it's good on wood. That's it for this one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Check out the store. Get yourself some custom wax, some custom grit, and step up your finishing game. Bye for now.